look away, because I'm gonna call two of you. I'm gonna pick one of you to roll your own cigars. That's the way we cut the leaf to roll the cigars. There you go. Okay. Cut here, cut there, and now we roll. Start to roll. Look away. Over here, this liquid that you see over here, this is a natural glue. It make like a process to put it like that, like a clear wall or like a transparent. I don't know if. Yes, I'm almost dropped. Yeah. I'm sorry.
How much drink for you today?
I don't even drink. I would like to. I think I need a shot. Okay, and with this, we'll take the cigar. This is papaya milk. Like when it's green, you bite it, and then the milk, they take it and they put it in something, and they make a process to put it clear like that.
Like a glue?
Like a glue, but it's natural. It's not toxic. It's not like the glue for glue the shoes. If we do that, somebody can be die. We're not gonna do that. Okay? So now he used the glue. Pay attention, everybody, because I'm gonna call two of you to roll your own cigars. Right? There you go. Ahora sí. That's the last part. I mean, before the last one, this is before the last one, and the last one is cut the cigars to cut the wrapper at the end. There you go. And cut. Havana, Cuba. That's the way. It's like when you buy it in the box. Pass it around. Everybody watch it, feel it.